Hey guys, welcome to QT Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Metapod. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start by drawing the eye with an oval shape. Then inside, draw a curved line angled downwards across. Now a half circle under it and color it in black. Next, leave some space, and to the left, draw a pointed line down about the same length as the eye. Then a curve on the left to close it off. Let's draw the top of the head now. Come up here and draw a small diagonal line. Then a very slight S-curve down to the shape we drew earlier. Now go back to the top and draw a curved line down above the eye, past it, and stop about here. Next, come back to the left side and draw a curve down and to the right. Now at the bottom, draw a curve over to the right. Then about halfway up this side section, draw a curve over and connect it down to the bottom line. Next, draw a V shape here between the eye and the other shape. Then from the bottom point, draw diagonal lines out on either side. Then one more line on the right, connecting it to the bottom line. Now at each bottom point, draw two diagonal lines down and to the right. And then another set of more angled shorter lines. Now let's hop over to the right to draw the other side. Draw a short diagonal line, and then another diagonal line down here. These two diagonals should be parallel or similar to the diagonals we drew on the left. Next, close off the top line by bringing it back down to the side here. Now on the left, draw another line inwards. Then a curve over to the right side to close off the body section. Then continue the middle line down to the bottom here. On the left, draw a pointed line now. And then another curve under it. Let's draw the next body segment now. Draw a diagonal line here. And then a curved line to close off the segment. And then draw 2 curved lines inside. Now draw another segment in the same way, but make this one smaller. Lastly, finish it off with a pointed segment like this. And that's it for Metapod. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.